Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. For this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to convert doc to PDF using Integromat so that nobody can extract text. Let's start. First, I will be showing you the document file that we're going to use for this tutorial. We will convert this document into PDF and data security after conversion. Now, let's go to Integromat and create a new scenario. We will now set up the first module. Select Google Drive and download a file. For Enter a File ID, choose Select from the list. Then, select the correct folder and file that you're going to convert and add the security. Now, let's add another module. Choose PDF.co and convert into PDF for this module. For the source file, just choose the Google Drive module. For the convert type, choose Document to PDF then press OK. Let's now add our third module. Choose PDF.co and select Add Password and Security into PDF. For the source file, choose the first PDF.co module. Then set Print Document, Assembly Document, Content Extraction, Accessibility Support, Modify Document, Fill Forms, and Modify Annotations into No. Then press OK. We are going to run the scenario now. Now that our scenario runs successfully, we will now check the result PDF. Get the URL of our result PDF in the third module. So here's our result PDF. As you can see, when I tried to copy the text inside our PDF, there's no option showing that you can copy the text. It means we've successfully added the security to prevent others from extracting the text inside our PDF. That's it for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our YouTube channel or on our website. Thanks for watching.